Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times Channel 195. And this, now the Ogbonge Politic Discussion Show, as it is hot. Every weekday from 10 go reach 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say, the talk when they turn our belly inside the Obodo Nigeria, we they carry and can't drop for down. Make everybody chook mouth inside. So that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi well as he take concern politic matter as it is hot.
Good morning, Nigerians. We don't see the first 10 set of people where they don't do it, where they don't screen for the Disney, for the ongoing screening, that is ministerial screening where they take place for National Assembly, that's for the House of Senate. We will see the drama will continue today. I will know who and who will be the next people where they will screen today as we move on with this screening matter. Yes, the program now asks it is hot, and what will they look into today to know how far the drama don't play out. Make now also bear in mind, say we go open our phone line and when that time reach for now to do it, for now to contribute for any of the matters or any of the angle when I want to bring the matter from when that time reach. My name is Nkubi and this now Ask It Is Hot.
Since the 30th day in the month of September 2015, when Oga Presido beat the deadline when he set for himself, many Nigerians, they wait for October 13th, sake of say, now that day our Senate Presido and the fellow senators talk say they go start the ministerial screening. Everybody knows say 21 people, 9 days inside the first list when Oga Presido send after 4 months. But Oga Presido been talk say, the reason why he waste time now so that he go use the recommended glass, check the way when our ministries they work, reduce the number, then select the best hands when go work with them to move this our country forward. Before our Oga Senate Presido come talk say, oh yeah, time don't reach once to start the screening. Una remember say una say the second envelope when contain the name of 16 additional ministers, when Oga ministerial nominees, when Oga Presido send go give them, he tear the envelope, come read out their names. We go furnish una with the names of these people before we can enter into the nitty-gritty, in English, nitty-gritty of what happened for the floor of the House of Senate yesterday. The first name when he sent, na Honorable Khadija Bukar Abba Ibrahim. She come from Yobe State. And the next person is Honorable Abubakar Bawa Buhari from Niger State. Senator Heineken Lokpobiri from Bayelsa also there. Professor Isaac Adewale representing Osun State there. Another prof, Claudius Omoleye Daramola Sef dey inside the list representing Ondo State. We also get Professor Anthony Anwuka representing Imo State. James Enojo Ocholi from Kogi State, when be barrister, also dey inside. We get Zainab Shasuna Ahmed from Kaduna. He follow dey inside. Okechukwu Enelama from Abia dey inside. We can't get one person when we say, he na former Honorable Mustafa Baba Shehuri from Borno State in the inside. We can't get person when we say, he be soldier man. He don't serve this country. And Oga President believes say, if he go become minister, he go do well also. Brigadier General Mansour M. Dan Ali retired, representing Zamfara State. We can't get, as best as Oga President in wisdom, he look and say, he go also need man of God. When we say, as we they carry intelligence to follow the things when they affect this country, the man go they say, may it be so. Amen. They bind and cast all the bad people when they inside. He can carry from Cross River State, Pastor Usani, Uguru Usani. He can top him with Geoffrey Onyema from Enugu State, Mohammed Bello from Adamawa, Malam Adamu from Bauchi, and the 16th person. Based on say people don't say, no young person there here, no youth there here. Oga President come look and say, okay, he wants one CC, one young girl when we say, he be like say she don't even get boyfriend at all. Because now miss, that is, he never become Mrs. Miss Aisha Abubakar from Sokoto State. Many people beat their chest, say these 16 people were inside this list. Say in fact, this list, now it be the real list. Say that first list when come out, now to just make some people mind cool. But this list, now people when be say they don't read books. So if they open book now, book go begin to fear them because they don't read everything when they inside book. Now this one's going to, according to some people, be the technocrats when go bring experience come into the system to help our Oga President move our country forward. So right about now, as we do like this, if we join the 21 of September 30th and the 16th of this new ones when we get, it bring the total number to 37. And everybody knows say inside inside Obodo, Nigeria, we get 36 states, plus the Federal Capital Territory, making all the arrangements 37. The way when anything come there now, considering the fact that Oga President don't talk, say, he go chook eye inside the oil sector, whether now as minister or as supervisor, it can't be like, say, we don't reach the end point of, say, we dey look for minister. Now to move this our country forward be the way forward now.
Should be when people, okay, when people like you, especially you talk, say, we don't see the list, we don't see the list. Now old hand, and they do this thing. You don't finally see them. Technocrats. People will say, we don't even feed trace them, say, would they even take anything, they take trace and say, now this place they come from, and now this political thing, office they don't hold, and now this money they don't chop, and all that. These are fresh people who say, that is there. They just go bring them, they just go dig, bring them out from that same profession where they come say, yes, come handle this mantle of power, make we know as you go take handler, because we believe in you, and as a result of that, make you do it, make you make sure, say, this ministry, you carry on well, you conduct on well. You could eventually
you see, you don't put yourself to shame. Because you know what I always want you. Before you talk, you see, those of us when be youth, when still get young blood.
Don't bring in the youth issue. We don't talk about youth yesterday. Don't remind me of the youth issue.
Okay.
I'm a youth, you're a youth. Don't just remind me.
Don't call yourself.
Don't remind me.
Don't
of
even count yourself. Don't even count yourself.
Is it too early to come and argue over youth?
No be me they talk before you come. No be allow me to talk what I want to talk for. I said those of us when be youth, when get fresh
those
blood.
Those of us will be youth. Thank you.
I know you count you. I no count you.
I'm a youth, so don't.
Those of us when be youth, when get fresh blood.
Those of us will be youth.
When we dey talk, say we need people when we say we fit beat our chest, say yes, no shaking, no wahala. They talk say no, this, that. You don't put yourself for trouble with what you talk. You talk say, we people like us. You. When they speak, yes, like me, when they speak the truth, when they stand for justice, when they speak for the ordinary Nigerian, you say, when we be the talk, say, these people, you can't talk, so in that truth is you talk, say, they never hold any office before. They never chop money. So who could be you agree, say, some people there inside the ministerial nominees, when don't chop money, two of us.
Chukudi, no, they complicate yourself.
Now what you talk, I hold against you.
Complicate yourself.
You say, we they complain. Say they never hold office, they never chop money.
Say people where they first bring out their name.
They don't hold office before.
People where don't hold office
and they don't do anything.
Now people where don't hold office before.
And they don't do anything. Now two things you talk.
Don't hold office before.
You say they don't hold office and they don't do anything.
Play them back now, make you know whether now what I talk.
You see, you are not even a man of your words.
What do you mean?
Who are you afraid of?
What do you mean?
No, who are you afraid of?
I can only be afraid of myself.
Thank you. You know, the Bible even talk this thing, say you cannot light a lamp and put it under where? You know if you know under the place, because you know they read Bible. You cannot light a lamp and put it under where? No, you cannot light a lamp and put it under where? Who could be, if you don't answer this question, maybe you get problem.
Under
which bed?
Under bed now.
Share na bed, Bible talk.
Come.
Share na bed, Bible talk.
Either way, under something. Under table, under bed. Oh, John, all not the same. So we're not going to bring spiritual issue into this thing. Make we address this matter.
Okay.
And for your Chukudi, don't bring the idea of spiritual. Me and you know say we dey guilty of this one.
You are who they guilty?
You are guilty of it.
You are speaking for yourself.
No, we are both guilty
under
of
bed.
it.
Light a lamp.
How many times I don't quote Bible here?
Light a lamp and put it under bed.
Under something.
You know even sweet under something.
If it be chair, if it be table, if it be bed, it could be anything.
Who could be?
Not before the light say, okay, basically, what be the essence of light? Make it illuminate, make they see. But if you put them under something, we not go feel see it. Darkness go full everywhere.
You need to go confession. Now the only thing I have to tell you that.
Don't do you.
You need to go confession.
Go confess.
Make we leave that one.
Sin?
Everybody knows say. Everybody knows say.
By sin.
Everybody knows say you. Everybody knows say.
Don't make we leave that one. Everybody make we go straight to the man. Don't come the times everybody knows say. I'm not just ready to just take any. Okay.
But I go they hold your word.
Me said they hold your own
people
word.
People wey no hold office, people wey no chop money. Now wait till you talk.
And they also hold your word.
And they hold your own.
And they hold
I'm holding your own first.
Either way, we are both holding our own. We are both holding our own.
Holding different from say you dey fold blow give me. I hold your own.
What I do so?
You dey fold blow give me.
You say what you do?
I say I hold your own. You dey fold blow give me.
And they hold your own.
I will see. I will see.
On both hands.
Okay, let's move on.
On both hands.
Make we continue with what we call here discuss. Thank you very much. Now, our distinguished Senate President, Oga Bukola Saraki, when we say all the senators, when they inside the house, talk say we believe in you. Go and represent us. Even though some people, when they in party, know they happy say in that position. from 7 o'clock for morning yesterday, we come see plenty activity inside the National Assembly. All roads they lead to the Red Chamber, the House of Senate. People come with their loved ones. They say some people even carry men of God come as then they pray, then they bind, then they cast. And so then they also they hit head for ground.
Now you take your own eyes witness. Why do they talk like this?
Now waiting they talk.
What has national issue got to do with you bringing in spiritualists, bringing in whether an ATR, that's African tradition? Okay, sorry. Either way, spiritualists. What thing you get to do with?
No be one governor for this country, one APC governor carry money say they go use them, carry people and go buy and cast Boko Haram.
Chukudi.
No. You want to bring spirituality into this now?
Chukudi,
No. You want to tell me Sanos about they talk, Abi?
Chukudi, don't do.
Oh, anytime when it concerns APC, you don't do, Abi.
For the issue of say, okay, they want screen. What has spiritualism got to do with it?
Nkubi, the time when you find this work, come here. You pray before you enter for interview.
That was different.
I tell different. Not be work you find.
Different.
That was your own screening.
That was different.
That was your own screening.
No.
Allow me to continue.
I have done my spiritual assignment for house before the job comes.
Which part of house for backyard? You break kola nut and shinap.
Me.
Before you wake up like who they settle quarrel. Make we continue with what they talk. From 7 o'clock, activity they full the National Assembly. And as exactly as it reach 11:45.
What's that your talk? Make we no lose Ogaigo. Make you no come dey vex with us. Say we no picking call. Ogaigo, good morning.
Chukudi, good morning. The controversial Ukubi, I greet you. Good morning. According to Chukudi, I'll quote. He said, the second list where Buhari released, those are the people. Where they're supposed to take position. Where Buhari supposed to be ministers. And I agree with Chukudi because I know saying that truth now they speak.
Okay.
You they get me?
Okay.
Those people, those 16 people who Buhari released the second time. If you look those people history, and you say you want browse and maybe you check them, you not go see forth from them. Mm-hmm. And they say those people are the credit people who say it's supposed to work for Nigeria. Where you know say yes, if they work, you know go talk say this one is my brother, this one is my sister. We call they do sentiment. Those are the people I think say Buhari go give ministers. The first batch when he released, the first batch when they say they released, that one are not. Those are people who say they don't eat Nigerian money before. Now they come back again once they eat Nigerian money. Because I don't see anything person like you bring somebody like Pastor Lawe don't become governor, and make sure don't become governor. Many of them don't become senator before. Come carry they come back again. Come give when you they want to say we not get credible people. Who could be not there to give ministers? Who could not there? Other people not there to become ministers? You they give people say they don't dare before. So this one now the body they try to tell us say the rich are getting richer. The poor now may they die because now the rich not they go with the poor. You cannot expect somebody to say well person like a missioner to come the grassroots, come carry small person, come join her, may come work with them. Rather you go carry somebody to say he's still big like I come. But people like that second list, when you bring that 16 people, they can go to incredible people, even down to the university, where say, people you graduate, they go see where they get ideas to come work inside ministry.
Okay, I agree with you. Thank you very much for this contribution where you don't make. Make I even carry on from where you don't talk. The outgoing vice chancellor of the University of Ibadan, he follow for the people who make this second list. And according to what Oga Igbo talk, say, these people, them, as they know as things they happen, they'll go select the very best. Now, why I believe so, this second list is indeed the real list. That first one.
I know, me, of course, I accept.
You don't ever agree for years, say the second list might be the real list.
Now we see list, say we don't see credible technocrat list where Oga Muhammad Buhari
talk before you can't talk.
Oga Chukudi, no come they ask me those kind of questions here.
No, they warn me with your left eye. No, they look me with your left eye.
Oga Chukudi, good morning. I don't warn you.
Chukudi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Yes, honestly, if you look at the list where Oga Buhari did submit the last batch, you can see say it makes small difference. But never mind, the first list where he submit, there is no again saying the fact that there are no credible persons there. Yesterday when I watched the screening, I listened to Oga Awudobe. That man gets something for brain.
Very true.
There's no doubt about that. Mm-hmm. That man gets something for brain. Mm-hmm. If you see the way he take outline issues, you go to say, na old hand in agriculture.
True.
Now, the medical doctor Sage from Edo yesterday, you go to say the man, he get experience. You see, we're not saying that old men are not supposed to be there. They should be there. And also blend it with some level of youth also, so that the youth will be learning as these people are phasing out.
Very true.
You see, take for example, in Imo State, the minister where they appoint for Imo State, now former vice chancellor of Imo State University, and he be former SSG to Governor Kurocha, and he married Governor Kurocha, he became married Governor Kurocha's daughter. You see, the whole thing there, they say, now we don't say now our governor, him go give him, but make the appointment. That one, okay, fine. But what would they say? There are some aspects of this issue that the president has to do himself. The governor know they consult the president when they appointing commissioners. So they should allow the president seek for people who he go work with, who will help him deliver the job. For me, there's no point. The last list, fine, it's okay. The former one is okay. There are some good materials, like Fire Decker yesterday. I was surprised. He has something to offer. So there is no. Let's pray for this president and he will deliver. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Oga
Oga
Chukwudi.
Chukwudi. In fact, Oga Chukwudi, we know you don't be regular caller here, and each time when they call, when they drop your points, at least we will still say yes. You speak your mind. But for this your talk today, I mean, are they impressed? Say yes. You agree? Say yes. Now credibility.
Why you no go there impressed? Wetin be him name? Wetin be him name?
Oga Anthony.
Wetin be him name?
Oga Anthony.
Why you dey switch from Oga Chukwudi to Oga Anthony?
Oga Anthony, good morning.
Wetin be him name? What is his name?
Oga Anthony, dey there?
God don catch you, he no dey there. Wetin be him name?
Which kind of assignment?
No, wetin be him name?
Which kind of assignment they give me?
You know they see contribution.
I reserve your students.
You know they see contribution when Oga
Chukwudi
Chukwudi from Owerri dey make. Oga Chukwudi from Owerri.
For information, Chukwudi different from Chukwudi.
Wetin be the difference?
Chukwudi different from Chukwudi.
No, wetin be the difference?
Chukwudi na just name. But let us now define the individual wey carry that name.
Okay.
Chukwudi, this one don talk. But your own Chukwudi, shebi I tell you yesterday say lie wey dey full your mouth plenty. This Chukwudi has an element of truth in him. But your own Chukwudi, lie, capital letter, boldly written lie. Now they come out from your own mouth. You see the difference? That is the difference between your own Chukwudi and his own Chukwudi. Oga Kelvin, good morning. Oga Kelvin, good morning. Talk to us. Talk to me. No, they looking that way.
Now why they no go gree talk to you? Because I never sure say as you open your mouth, they do. Now so Oga Anthony just dey look say, hey. Now Oga Kelvin the same thing.
Good morning, Kobe.
Thank you. You don't fall.
Now
Oga Kelvin, good morning, Jare.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes.
I thank you people very much.
Okay, thank you.
I like this program very, very well.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Yeah, before I proceed, I must say something. I must give credit to the past regime. The regime of JEJ by making FOI available. Now that freedom of information, now I make this present regime now come see all the contributions where people they bring on. Now they can't divert the first list where they bring on, where people reject. Now they can't no say the second list they're supposed to be now. If not say, now the thing where people they talk, they bring their own opinion from different angles. Therefore, not bring this second list too. That first is where they bring on. I think where they for their mind they have to use and compensate every one of them that even help them to come up to power. So, my own point this morning is saying, we thank God, say people voice they work. I make the second list come out. The other way around, I beg, all of them will sit together, get a plan, agree, say, this is waiting, this one go take, this is waiting, this one go take. I beg, make them agree to themselves that way. Let them leave Oga Saraki, make him be way in bay. The whole soup where everybody gather, the one will bring salt, the one will bring firewood, the one will bring the oil, they gather cook them. When the soup don't finish, and then will give everybody the way it's supposed to be. Let them leave and make them at the initial agreement be that too. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Kelvin.
Oga Kelvin, thank you very much. I beg, continue to watch as they hot and tell your people, say, make them they watch to they support us. From Ilorin, we go enter Kaduna. Collect this call from Abigail. Abigail, good morning.
Good morning, Abigail. Hey,
we don't lose that call by Abigail. From this call when we lose, so we go quickly rush, enter inside market. When we go market, come back, we'll continue this our discussion as it take concern the ministerial screening. We go enter the day 2 to know the action wey go happen today. Now still as it dey hot, no go anywhere.
If una know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.